Hello guys, today I am going to give information regarding PSU. So if you plan to build a PC, you need PSU, power supply calculators. These are helpful tool when choosing a power supply unit PSU for your computer. They help estimate the wattage required by your system based on components you select. Here are some popular power supply calculators like MSI power supply calculator. These calculators typically ask you to select components like your CPU, GPU, motherboard and RAM. Some also allow you to factor in things like case of fans and storage drives. So you can choose the wattage and select your PCU easily. Hope guys, if video is somewhat informative, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.